My name is Ling and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to cast my ballot. Alright everybody, so the first step in this tutorial is to put on some sunscreen because climate change is real. Okay. No matter what your father says. Touch your face from the sun. I'm going in with the Elta MD Skincare UV Daily Broad Spectrum SPF 40. Primer is super important because it prepares your face for foundation, and you can customize that to your liking. So depending on what kind of skin you have, you want to use a certain kind of primer to achieve the look that you want. So I think of this kind of as like the morals and the philosophies that our country would, base itself upon, which we have none. In with this Red Earth Beauty Secret Potion Illuminating Skin Fluid. You can use this to mix in with your foundation or use it as a base, or you can use it just as like a actual like natural sheen highlighter, but I'm just gonna use this as a base for my foundation. I don't know why I've been breaking out. Actually, I do know why. It's because this country's gone to shit, so here we go. We're using an illuminating primer because we want to shed light on the truth this election. Next, we're going in with our foundation. Foundation is super duper important because it's what everything else sits on top of. I want to make sure that we pick something that's gonna smooth out our face so that we look fair, not complexion wise. Damn you, white supremacy. I don't want that to patch up throughout the day. Like fall apart, break apart on our face. Kind of like the foundation of this country is doing right now. Concealer. I'm just taking the NARS Soft Matte Concealer and I'm gonna go in. Concealer does what we can't do if you don't fucking vote. And that is cover up any imperfections, take away the flaws, attempt to cover up the bullshit on our face, aka our country. This shit with some fucking powder. This is gonna really seal the deal on our face. And so I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and then go everywhere on my face, putting the bulk of the powder places that I'm going to crease. Do the brows really quick and give this face some direction. I'm gonna dust away some of this excess powder here. In the same way that we have the opportunity and chance to shape our country, we're gonna shape our fucking face. We're gonna carve out exactly what the fuck we want our country to look like by showing up to those polls. And now I'm gonna go in with some powder. Let's take some of this benefit because we wanna benefit our country. Hit my cheekbones here and bring some warmth back to the face. Let's breathe some life back into this country. Always talking about, oh my god, like how did these people fucking get into office? Because they make it really fucking difficult for us to figure out how to vote and how to get engaged, or at least, put obstacles in the way that deter a lot of people from voting. And so if you have the ability to vote, I think it's just fucking important that we go out and do it. You know what I mean? And do it while we look fucking amazing. Okay, today's look is going to be a cool tone, super smoky eye because we want to go for something dark, something intense, because those are the times that we're living in, so I think it's appropriate. We're going to use the Sultry palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we're going in with this because this is sexy. Voting is fucking hot. But first I'm actually going to reach into the Soft Glam palette and I'm going to take the colors Orange Soda and Burnt Orange to actually warm up the crease first. Let's also bring that color into the lower lash line here. After the Sultry palette, we are going to take the shade Slate. It's this really nice cool toned kind of gray. It's actually a very interesting color. And we're just going to pop that into the outer corners and start building that into the crease. We're gonna dip into Dystopian, this really dark, cool tone brown. This whole look is gonna be about building things on top of one another, the way, kind of everything has been shit piling on to one another in our country. But now, got a chance to change the direction it's going, hopefully. Noir from the palette, the Sultry palette, and I'm going to grab a little sharp kind of edge here. I'm just using a piece of paper, and I'm going to smoke out that edge on both sides. We're gonna grab Cyborg from this palette and tap that color on top. Whoa. That's nice. Almost coming together. I think we just need to add a little bit of liner. Going with Trooper by Kat Von D. Now let's get some mascara on. L'Oreal Lash Paradise Primer in Millennial Pink. Is where millennials. And also the Lash Paradise in Black is black. I'm going to take this Innisfree blush. I'm just going to go on the apples of my cheek here. While we're at it, let's just go in with some highlight. Keeping with the frosty look, we're going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. Ooh. Nude lip today. Fenty Beauty's Unbuttoned. Off this lip, I think we can go with a gloss. And we're also going to top this off with Fenty Beauty because let's just keep it in the family, you know, might as well. Let's set the fucking face. Just like we're going to set these voting polls on fire. Now we're almost done with this look, but the final touch is the outfit. Now, I want us to show up to the voting polls as if we were going to the fucking Met Gala. This is the hottest event of the fucking season. I want our titties out, our pussies popped, assholes just clenched. Not that. I want you to send your nudes and also send in your absentee ballot, okay? I want you to rent your limos. I want you to just fucking get your electric scooter out. Bike there. I want you to fucking walk. When you're in line ready to vote, I want you to scope out the honeys there, okay? Because we are looking for a socially aware honey. We can tell from someone's outfit a mile away whether or not they're voting against our entire existence, okay? So, you know, you see someone with, I don't know, socks and sandals together, and you're like, you are definitely a misogynist. No. Yes. I'm wearing a nice, like, satin kind of, crop top here situation. If I see someone cute in line, I want to let them know, hey, I'm informed. And I'm also ready to suck some genitals. Then we're gonna go for some jeans because, you know, who doesn't love a good pair of jeans? They're from Pomelo Fashion. I don't have a full length situation going on, so I'm just gonna go right here, okay? I wanna let them know, like, you know, this ass right here has voted. I'm gonna throw on some boots because these boots were made for walking, but these boots were also made for voting. So this look altogether is kind of like a hi, I voted. Talk to me, you better vote first. That completes this video. I hope you all really enjoyed it, and I really do hope that if you have the ability to, and if you are registered already, that you go out and you vote tomorrow or today, depending on what time I fucking post this, because I'm such a last-minute procrastinating bitch. Yes, like, go out there, show up, let's fucking dominate those fucking voting polls, and let's make our voice heard, and let's do this for people that can't do it, but also do it because we want to do it, because we fucking can. It's fucking awesome, and it's fucking powerful. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed it. If you like this video, like this kind of content, then go ahead, give me a thumbs up, comment down below what you liked about it or what you want to see from me next, and until next time, fucking vote! Fucking vote. Just fucking vote. Just like, vote. Fucking do it. Bye! This look reads, I'm fucking livid about politics in this country and I'm gonna fucking do something about it.